Good evening, everyone. Good evening, sir. How are you all? We are fine, and you? I am also fine. So guys, today we are here to practice tenses. हमने जो है पूरा present tense complete कर लिया है. As you know that there are 4 patterns of present tense which are indefinite, continuous and perfect continuous. तो कैसे चारों tenses की जो है helping verb को use करना है, sentences को बनाना है. यहाँ पर आपके सामने ये सारे students आएंगे और आपको बहुत मज़ा आने वाला है. और ये सारे स्टूडेंट्स जो है प्रैक्टिस करेंगे टेंसेस की. तो ऑडियंस क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे, एक एक करके सारे आंसर्स देंगे. दिस प्रैक्टिस कैन बी डन बाय यू एट योर होम ऑल्सो. तो आपको देखना है, लास्ट तक देखना है, बहुत मज़ा आएगा और आपको बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा. बिकॉज हम सिखाते हैं आपको अंग्रेजी बहुत ही आसान तरीके से. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं.
हाय, गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन.
Good evening.
हाउ आर यू ऑल?
We are fine, and you?
I am also fine. My name is Yamini Pawar from Sanawar. Today's topic is present tense. Anyone ask me question?
मैं मंदिर जाती हूँ.
My sentence is मैं मंदिर जाती हूँ. First I am changing in present indefinite. मैं मंदिर जाती हूँ. I go to temple. I do not go to temple. Do I go to temple? Do I not go to temple? When do I go to temple? When do I not go to temple? Second I am changing in present continuous. मैं मंदिर जा रही हूँ. I am going to temple. I am not going to temple. Am I going to temple? Am I not going to temple? When am I going to temple? When am I not going to temple? Third I am changing in present perfect. मैं मंदिर जा चुकी हूँ. I have gone to temple. I have not gone to temple. Have I gone to temple? Have I not gone to temple? When have I gone to temple? When have I not gone to temple? Last I am changing in a present perfect continuous. मैं सुबह से मंदिर जा रही हूँ. I have been going to temple since morning. I have not been going to temple since morning. Have I been going to temple since morning? Have I not been going to temple since morning? When have I been going to temple since morning? When have I not been going to temple since morning? Thank you for listening me.
Hello friends, good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
I am also fine. First of all, thank you sir for giving me this opportunity. So today I am going to tell you about the present tense and its types are also present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. And its will make all the sentence first simple, negative, interrogative and interrogative plus negative. So let's start. Please ask me question.
वह पैसा कमाती है.
My sentence is that वह पैसा कमाती है in present indefinite. She earns money. She does not earn money. Does she earn money? Does she not earn money? Why does she earn money? Why does she not earn money? And second present continuous. वह पैसे कमा रही है. She is earning money. She is not earning money. Is she earning money? Is she not earning money? How is she earning money? How is she not earning money? एंड थर्ड प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. वह पैसे उसने पैसे कमा लिए हैं. सी हैज़ अर्नड मनी. सी हैज़ नॉट अर्न मनी. हैज़ सी अर्नड मनी. हैज़ सी नॉट अर्न मनी. वाई हैज़ सी अर्नड मनी. वाई हैज़ सी नॉट अर्न मनी. एंड फोर्थ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस. वह पैसे 2 साल से कमा रही है. She has been earning money for 2 years. She has not been earning money for 2 years. Has she been earning money for 2 years? Has she not been earning money for 2 years? Why has she been earning money for 2 years? Why has she not been earning money for 2 years? Thank you.
Hi friends, good evening.
Good evening.
My name is Garima Punase. Firstly, I will be thankful sir for giving this opportunity. As you all know that our sir has given one topic that's named present tense. In present tense there are 4 characters: present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. So let's start. Please anyone ask me question.
मैं अंग्रेजी सीखती हूँ.
My question is मैं अंग्रेजी सीखती हूँ. In present indefinite tense, I learn English. I do not learn English. Do I learn English? Do I not learn English? Why do I learn English? Why do I not learn English? In present continuous tense, मैं अंग्रेजी सीख रही हूँ. I am learning English. I am not learning English. Am I learning English? Am I not learning English? Where am I learning English? Where am I not learning English? In present perfect tense, मैं अंग्रेजी सीख चुकी हूँ. I have learnt English. I have not learnt English. Have I learnt English? Have I not learnt English? When have I learnt English? When have I not learnt English? In present perfect continuous tense, मैं अंग्रेजी जनवरी से सीख रही हूँ. आई हैव बीन लर्निंग इंग्लिश सिंस जनवरी. आई हैव नॉट बीन लर्निंग इंग्लिश सिंस जनवरी. हैव आई बीन लर्निंग इंग्लिश सिंस जनवरी. हैव आई नॉट बीन लर्निंग इंग्लिश सिंस जनवरी. वाई हैव आई लर्निंग इंग्लिश सिंस जनवरी. वाई हैव आई नॉट बीन लर्निंग इंग्लिश सिंस जनवरी. थैंक यू.
Good evening. How are you all?
We are fine and you?
I am also good. My name is Bhumika Naria. Today's my topic is present tense. Present tense is 4 types: present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. Please ask me question.
वे हाथ धोते हैं.
My sentence is वे हाथ धोते हैं. In present indefinite, they wash hand. They do not wash hand. Do they wash hand? Do they not wash hands? फिर प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस, वे हाथ धो रहे हैं. दे आर वॉशिंग हैंड्स. दे आर नॉट वॉशिंग हैंड. आर दे वॉशिंग हैंड्स? आर दे नॉट वॉशिंग हैंड? इन प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट, वे हाथ धो चुके हैं. दे हैव वॉश्ड हैंड. दे हैव नॉट वॉश्ड हैंड. हैव दे वॉश्ड हैंड? हैव दे नॉट वॉश्ड हैंड? इन प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस, वे 2 मिनट से हाथ धो रहे हैं. दे हैव बीन वॉशिंग हैंड्स फॉर 2 मिनट्स. दे हैव नॉट बीन वॉशिंग हैंड्स फॉर 2 मिनट्स. हैव दे बीन वॉशिंग हैंड्स फॉर 2 मिनट्स. हैव दे नॉट बीन वॉशिंग हैंड्स फॉर 2 मिनट्स. थैंक यू.
Good evening, friends.
Good evening.
How are you?
We are fine and you?
I am also good. My name is Tanisha Patil. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. Today my topic is present tense. Ask me sentence.
हम अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं.
हम अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं. Present indefinite tense. We speak English. We do not speak English. Do we speak English? Do we not speak English? Present continuous. हम अंग्रेजी बोल रहे हैं. We are speaking English. We are not speaking English. Are we speaking English? Are we not speaking English? Present perfect tense. हम अंग्रेजी बोल चुके हैं. We have spoken English. We have not spoken English. Have we spoken English? Have we not spoken English? Present perfect continuous tense. हम सुबह से अंग्रेजी बोल रहे हैं. We have been speaking English since morning. We have not been speaking English since morning. Have we been speaking English since morning? Have we not been speaking English since morning? Thank you.
Hi guys, good evening.
Good evening.
Firstly, thank you sir for giving me this opportunity. Today's topic is present tense. As you all know, there are 4 patterns in present tense: present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. So guys, I am ready. Let's start. Ask me question.
विराट क्रिकेट खेलता है.
My sentence is that विराट क्रिकेट खेलता है. First, present indefinite tense. Virat plays cricket. Virat does not play cricket. Does Virat play cricket? Does Virat not play cricket? Second, present continuous. विराट क्रिकेट खेल रहा है. विराट is playing cricket. Virat is not playing cricket. Is Virat playing cricket? Is Virat not playing cricket? Third, present perfect. विराट क्रिकेट खेल चुका है. Virat has played cricket. Virat has not played cricket. Has Virat played cricket? Has Virat not played cricket? And fourth and last, present perfect continuous. विराट क्रिकेट सुबह से खेल रहा है. विराट has playing cricket since morning. Virat has been playing cricket since morning. Virat has not been playing cricket since morning. Has Virat playing cricket since morning? Has Virat not playing cricket since morning? Thank you.
Good evening everyone. Good evening. How are you all?
We are fine and you?
I am also good. Thank you sir for giving me this opportunity. Today we have present tense. In present tense there are 4 types: present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. So let's start. Please ask me a sentence.
वह मैच जीतता है.
My sentence is that वह मैच जीतता है. In present definite, he wins the match. He does not wins the match. Does he wins the match? Does he not wins the match? When does he wins the match? When does he not wins the match? In present continuous tense, वह मैच जीत रहा है. He is winning the match. He is not winning the match. Is he winning the match? Is he not winning the match? Where is he winning the match? Where is he not winning the match? In present perfect continuous, वह मैच जीत चुका है. He has won the match. He has not won the match. Has he won the match? Has he not won the match? Why has he won the match? Why has he not won the match? Now in present perfect continuous tense, वह 2 दिन से मैच जीत रहा है. He has been winning the match for 2 days. He has not been winning the match for 2 days. Has he been winning the match for 2 days? Has he not been winning the match for 2 days? Which has he been winning the match for 2 days? Which has he not been winning the match for 2 days? Thank you.
Hello. How are you?
We are fine and you?
I am also fine. My name is Arif Patil. Thank you sir for giving me this opportunity. आज मैं सेंटेंस
मैं खाना बनाता हूँ.
My sentence is मैं खाना बनाता हूँ. I cook food. I do not cook food. Do I cook food? Do I not cook food? मैं खाना बना रहा हूँ. I am cooking food. I am not cooking food. Am I cooking food? Am I not cooking food? मैं खाना बना चुका हूँ. I have cooked the food. I have not cooked the food. Have I cooked the food? Have I not cooked the food? मैं 1 घंटे से खाना बना रहा हूँ. I have been cooking food for 1 hour. I have not been cooking food for 1 hour. I been cooking food for 1 hour. Have I not been cooking food for 1 hour?